Are you an entrepreneur looking how to market your product and services through LinkedIn? Do you want to attract clients? Hi, my name is Ravi Bilochi and today I am going to introduce you how to use your LinkedIn profile to attract either client and to market your product and services. So stay with me till the end of the video and we will learn these things in few simple steps. And before we move ahead, please subscribe to this channel so that when I come with these marketing videos, you get notified and you don't have to miss the magical words. Quick facts. LinkedIn has 660 million users and 9 billion feeds every week, and only 3 million people are posting these feeds. So this means that people like you and me have a huge opportunity to reach to the target client and a lot of more organic reach. The first step is to optimize your LinkedIn profile. And to optimize your LinkedIn profile, you have to select a keyword and the search terms on which you want your profile to appear on it. For example, I want my LinkedIn profile to appear on digital marketing expert or SEO expert. So these are the keywords for my profile. So you have to select your keywords for your profile according to your industry. And there are 8 things that you have to modify and fix to optimize your profile. So the first thing is your headshot. So you make sure your profile photo is professional enough. The second thing is about your headline. You have to fix your headline according to the keyword and the search term you want to appear for. For example, it should have, for me, it should be having a digital marketing or SEO should be mentioned there. So always make sure that your keyword is there in your headline and it should be attractive enough. The third thing that we generally avoid is your description. You have to tell about yourself in a very descriptive way. Write all the possible points, all the skills in your description. Make sure you have your keywords there also. So fourth thing is about the job and the projects you have done. If you are a businessman, you put down all the projects that you have done in the past or all the job roles you have done in the past. It makes your impression good in terms of the skills that you possess. Not only mention the name of the project or only the company name where you worked upon, mention the job role, mention the key skills that you performed, mention the key roles that you performed, the things that you did for that company or the achievement that you get in the company. The thing that you have to do is to put down all your education background. This will help you into tapping the network of your alumni from that college, from that school or from your past company. When people from that same network search for you, it appears as a common network and it helps as a relevant profile for their search. The sixth thing is a pro tip. You can use the featured content to publish your blog, article or video that you have written about your profile or about your business in the past, or you can generate a new content for that. This will help in looking your profile more rich and more content oriented. The seventh thing is about asking for recommendation. You can ask a recommendation to your senior or to your partners or to your clients. This makes your profile more credible. And a person who's searching for a profile or you're looking at a profile can trust on you based on their recommendation and based on their testimonial about your work. And the best thing is that you can also ask about the recommendation from your industry experts or people who are very popular in that industry. This makes your profile more searchable, more relevant and more credible. So the 8th thing is about your skill and endorsement. Make sure you mention your top 3 skills first, because LinkedIn shows by default first 3 links, and ask people to endorse you about your skills. So it makes more endorsement, it looks more relevant and it's more credible. Make sure you add both soft skills and hard skills in your profile so that it's more relevant. So there's a pro tip about endorsement is that you should go ahead and endorse other people on their skills and they will repeat similar for you. 8 things in your profile that you have to take care to optimize your profile. Make sure in all the above steps like education, like descriptions or endorsement or about your experience, you make use of the keywords for the profile or for the project you want people to search you for. That makes your profile more searchable. Creating a company page is helpful for a lot of reasons. So once you create a company profile, all your employees can link their profile to the company page, so it gives more reach to your product and services. Also, they can network among themselves. For example, you have a company with a lot of people in your company, So they will be able to see other people's profile, they will be able to network better on LinkedIn through your company page. It will also act as a common page for all the content that your marketing team wants to push there. They will be able to share from a common place, they will be able to update on a common place, and all the efforts at a same place makes it more reachable and credible. And the other best part is that you can also post jobs and vacancies for your company, and people will be able to apply through LinkedIn, and you will be able to process them on the platform itself. So the third step about growing your product and services on LinkedIn is about how you search for your relevant client. How do you search among all the peoples and how do you filter it out? So for this, let's dive into my computer and see step by step that how to search for a prospect clients. So LinkedIn has a very defined way to how to search for your prospective client. For example, I am a digital marketing person. I want to found business owners to pitch them for their digital marketing or to pitch them how my skills can be useful for them. For example, when you go to search, you search for, let's say, we are heading for small business owners. So when I write small business owners, from there I can select people or jobs or something. I want to find people from small business owners, and then I get something around 6,99,000 results, which is not all my prospective clients. So to get more relevant search results, we go to all filters. The first thing that I want to do is that I want to pitch my services to the local business owners. So I will write my city name or country name. So this will give me a lot of smaller results. Apart from that, I can also define industries. So I want people from marketing, I want people for financial services, or I can find people from only retail things. So I select New Delhi and retail, and you can do a lot of different filters also. This filters of first connection, second connection, third connection would be helpful. So the first connection would be the people who are directly linked to your profile or who are connected to your profile. Second connection would be people who are connected to some of your connection in the profile. So let's say if I go for second connection, apply. So it gives me a 5 results. So I get a very specific results of to which people in my city who somebody knows to my connection knows about, and I can pitch them accordingly, and this give me a very best results for my search. The fourth step is that how you can use your LinkedIn newsfeed for your advantage. As I mentioned earlier, there are 9 billion feeds every week on LinkedIn, and only 3 million people like you and me are posting on LinkedIn. So there is a very high opportunity that our post will reach to a large number of people. So how do you post it? Post engaging content. Post a photo, a very useful photo or a video. A text would not get that much of reach as to a video or a photo. You can experiment it by posting a text-based post or a video-based post. A video-based post will get approximately 5 times the results of your text-based post. You can also make use of the articles on LinkedIn. They are a very great way to reach to the people. So these are the long format of post. You can post it twice or thrice a week. That will be good enough. A pro tip about posting an article is that you copy paste your blog into a LinkedIn article, only a first 1/4 part of it or first half part of it, and post a link for the rest of the article. This will give you traffic to your original article as well and a reach on LinkedIn through your article. Another tip to use your LinkedIn feed is to interact with the people of your industry. Keep going to their article, comment with them, appreciate them, engage with their content, and they will repeat same for you. So the fifth tip is to create a pod. A pod is a group of 10 to 15 individuals who like, comment and share each other's post on LinkedIn. So you can make a group of 10 to 15 people who are active on LinkedIn, who can share your post and give a reach to your post. Generally they share the link on the WhatsApp group and then they share each other post. This gives a high reach to each member of the pod, and this works very heavily since organic reach is very high on LinkedIn as of now. The sixth step is to make use of LinkedIn advertisement. LinkedIn advertisement is a very smart way to reach to your targeted clients. You can target your clients to a very variety of different targeting methods. You can target your audience by company name, by demography, education, job experience, interest and title. You can also define their age group. You can also use your video, text or a post to advertise on LinkedIn. LinkedIn also gives you $50 credit for each of you to try their advertisement. So make use of this $50 and use LinkedIn for advertisement. These are the few simple steps that you can use to explode your LinkedIn profile and attract ideal clients for your business and products and services. So go ahead, follow these steps and let me know how it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, share it, like it, comment it, tell it to the people who need to upgrade their LinkedIn profile, to your colleagues, to your boss, to your juniors. This will help them to get more business for you, for your company and for their own profile. Also, if you want me to look into your LinkedIn profile, comment your LinkedIn profile link below and we all will network with you and help you in upgrading your profile. Thanks, enjoy the day, bye bye.